The Associated Press is taking legal action against 3 Trump administration officials, filing a lawsuit in federal court over the banning of AP reporters from attending certain events involving President Trump, including those in the Oval Office and aboard Air Force One. The AP argues that this ban infringes on the First Amendment and the due process protections of the Fifth Amendment. The lawsuit was filed on Friday afternoon in the U.S. District Court in Washington, D.C. The AP is seeking an emergency hearing and a court order to deem the ban unconstitutional, with the aim of having it overturned. The case has been assigned to Judge Trevor McFadden, who was appointed by Trump. The Trump administration has not yet responded to requests for comment. Earlier this month, the White House singled out the AP for continuing to refer to the body of water as the Gulf of Mexico, despite President Trump's renaming it the Gulf of America. At a press conference, Trump expressed frustration with the app's stance, saying, "The Associated Press just refuses to go with what the law is and what has taken place. It's called the Gulf of America now." The AP was not permitted to attend this press conference. While other countries have not adopted the new name, the AP, a global news organization, continues to use Gulf of Mexico in its reporting, in keeping with its editorial standards, while also acknowledging Trump's renaming. In its legal filing, the AP summarized the situation by stating that the White House had instructed its journalists to use specific terms in their coverage or face indefinite denial of access. The press and all people in the United States have the right to choose their own words and not be retaliated against by the government, the app's legal team argued in its complaint. The Constitution does not allow the government to control speech. Allowing such government control and retaliation to stand as a threat to every American's freedom. The ban was first imposed on February 11, and AP editors immediately condemned it as a violation of the First Amendment. They made efforts to resolve the matter privately before deciding to take legal action.